he just walked in. Ooh, and he's a looker too. I'll get back to you shortly, okay? Bye-bye now.
Hi, I'm hungry. I'm a pig. I'm so hungry. I love ribs. Can I smell yours?
I don't know. Well, maybe just a little. Surprise!